Okay.
Yeah, that sunlight behind you is hard, Dylan. I agree, Mom. I'm just gonna go with it.
Like this.
Now that's better. How old are you, Dylan?
5.
5? You don't have to.
15, 20.
You don't have to hold your teeth. Like, Dylan, what'd you do here? What is this? What'd you build here?
Oh, Lego Town.
This is your Lego town? For Christmas?
A train. Well, another train. And another train.
Open up the Justice League.
In the Justice League, there's a Christmas tree that fell down. So I have to put it back up for the picture.
Nice. I'm going to need your help here, Dylan, to switch it.
Hard though for me. I can't really switch it so well.
Alright, switch it.
Inside. You did say switch it.
Alright, you ready to switch it?
Yeah.
Switch it.
So I really want to switch it.
Alright, Dylan, how about you try switch it again? I'm sorry, buddy. Remember, when next time it comes around, try switching it again.
I don't really know how to switch it very good, Dad. So I really want to switch it.
Please try. Please try one time. Get her next time.
Me.
Get her next time, alright?
Okay. Finally. On the outside. Coming your way.
Coming my way.
It's going to keep coming your way, don't worry. Coming your way again. So try to get. Yeah, it's coming through. It goes too fast, doesn't it?
Goes fast, huh?
It's going to keep coming your way, so. Beep, beep.
Switch it. You did it. You did it. That doesn't